my dear kiddos. My name is Pigeon and thank you for coming to read with me. The book we are reading today is The Duckling Gets a Cookie. If you have a copy, go get it. Let's read together.
The Duckling Gets a Cookie? Words and Pictures by Mo Willems. I do not like the look of that title. The Duckling Gets a Cookie? Hello, may I have a cookie, please? Oh, thanks. That was very nice of you. Oh, look at all those nuts. Hey, how did you get that cookie? I asked for it. You asked for it? Politely. Say, does that cookie have nuts? Yes. So, you got a cookie with nuts just by asking? Politely. I ask for things all the time. I ask to drive the bus. I ask for hot dog parties. Do I ask for candy? I do. It doesn't have to be a big bus, I'll ask for a French fry robot every now and then. I have asked for a walrus. Right now, I'm asking why? 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 Oh, there's more. Sometimes I ask for a hug. Or I'll ask for one more story. I can't count the times I have asked for my own personal iceberg. I asked to stay up late. Oh, yeah. I'm the askingest pigeon in town. But do I get what I ask for? No! It's not fair. Ducklings get everything. Pigeons like cookies too, especially with nuts. Why did you get that cookie? So I could give it to you. And another thing. Hababa, you are giving me that cookie? With the nuts. That is so nice. Thank you. Thank you very much. That is one cool duckling. Yes, sir. Bye. May I have another cookie, please? But this time, no nuts.
Welcome back, kiddos. I hope you had fun reading with me today. Please like and subscribe to our channel and I will soon bring a new book for you guys. Till then, keep reading.